Hey guys, welcome back to channel. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Big Touch front and back with aluminum frame. So overall the smartphone looks so premium and still solid. The smartphone featuring 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus. And the good thing is the phone comes with 2400 peak brightness. Phone also comes with the studio speaker, always on display, IP68 rating and in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone comes with the Google Tensor G3 processor with 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1. Performance-wise, the phone is similar to Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. In the camera section, the phone comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 48 megapixel ultra wide. And the front is come with 10.5 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. The smartphone you can record highest 4K 60fps video and the video quality is too good. And this year Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with lot of AI feature and I am already making the top 15 Google Pixel 8 Pro features. Video link also available on the video description and the I button. Check it out. And the phone comes with 3 different colors. And the phone powered by the 5500 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging and also support wireless charging. So that's all about the today video. If you found this video informative, don't forget the like button and also subscribe the channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.